Hello, students of class 8. Good morning. Today, I am discussing with you Chapter 2, the Industrial Revolution. Chapter is Industrial Revolution. Revolution in industry. That means industrial revolution. What is industrial revolution? What is industrial revolution? During the medieval period, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. During the medieval period, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Everybody were associated in the same way or other. Every villages, they were self-sufficient. Every villages, they were self-sufficient. Production was made by hand by the family members, and carpenters, weaver, skilled people, they used simple tools for making their products. Merchant, they supply raw materials to the artisans and sold the finished product in the market. So, during the medieval period, agriculture was the main occupation. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Every village, they were self-sufficient. They had their own blacksmith, goldsmith, and simple carpenter, weaver, and so on skilled people. Simple tools are used. Craftsmen and artisans, they by using simple tools, they made their products. Merchants supplies raw materials to the craftspeople and sold the finished product in the market. So, this system was known as domestic system. What is domestic system? What is domestic system? Domestic system means handmade goods made by the family members. Village products were sufficient for the people. They are no longer dependent on the factory products. So, domestic system is the production of goods by the craftsmen and the artisans with the help of their family members by using simple tools. They made their products by the family members by using simple tools. If you have any confusion regarding the question, you please call me. No problem. from the section of me. Again I am telling what is domestic system. Domestic system means people made their product by the family members, by using simple tools. So that time occupation was based on agriculture. With the passage of time, people demand increased. They are no longer stay in the domestic products. Their demands are increased. So they increased, and the domestic products, they did not cope up with the demands of the people. A new system was introduced. A new system was introduced in the replace of domestic system. Hello students, domestic system means by using simple tools, people made their products, merchants supply their raw materials and sold it in the markets. So people demands were few in that time. That means domestic system. When domestic system was running on, people's demand were few. But after a passage of time, domestic system did not cope up with the demand of people. People demand increased. So domestic system replaced with factory system. What is factory system? Factory system means small scale industry change into large scale industry. Domestic system replaced with factory system. Domestic system replaced with factory system. What is factory system? What is factory system? Factory system means small scale industry change into large scale industry, manual labor change into machine product, and factory system is a system where goods were produced in the factory in a large scale instead of simple tools. So factory system it is a system that means small scale industry. Small scale industry change into large scale industry. Small scale industry change into large scale industry. Handmade good change into machine made Good. So students, today I am discussing with you 1 number domestic system and number 2 factory system. Domestic system means based on handmade goods, production, owner is the family members, they produce their product because their demand was few. But factory system, this system, small scale industry replaced with large scale industry, people demands were increased, so domestic system did not cope up with the factory system. All the production produced in a factory, all the production produced in a factory by machines, so manual labor were not needed for this system. Next, we are going to what is we are going to the questions. What is industrial revolution? Industrial revolution means small scale industry change into large scale industry, handmade goods change into machine made goods, and people use their machinery products. Manual labor was replaced by machine. When industrial revolution was happened, when industrial revolution was happened, industrial revolution was happened during the middle of the 18th century and first half of the 19th century. During the middle of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century. Where? In England. Why? This is the another question. Why industrial revolution was happened in England? Next question. Where industrial revolution happened? Industrial revolution was happened in England. When it was happened? By the middle of the 18th century to first of the 19th century, first half of the 19th century. Next question, what are the features of industrial revolution? 4 number question, what are the features of industrial What are the features of the industrial revolution? Same point, machine made good, a handmade good, change into machine made good, small scale industry, change into large scale industry, and another more point, domestic system production was changed into factory production. This is the industrial revolution. That means, what is revolution? Revolution means any change, sudden change in the society. That is called revolution. Industrial revolution means revolution in industry. Revolution in industry. People no longer stay with the prejudice or earlier belief. They change their idea and the ideals, and they change domestic system into, they change their mind in the domestic system to factory system. This is industrial revolution. Next question will be arise, why industrial revolution happened in England? Because in England have a surplus capital. England has a surplus capital. So economic growth and increased overseas trade led to the commercial growth. 5. Industrial revolution happened in England. First causes are as follows. First one, surplus capital. Surplus means extra. Surplus means extra. Economic growth and the overseas trade. Economic growth. 1 number keywords. Number 2, overseas trade. Overseas trade means remote area, that means out of the border of seas they contact their trades. Economic growth, one of the reason for happening the industrial revolution in England. They have a surplus capital which help them to growing their demands. Economic growth and overseas trade led to the accumulation of trade and commerce in England. The surplus capital was used by the traders, for setting up new industries and new factories. Surplus capital were used for setting up industries. So students, listen carefully. Today my classwork is industrial revolution. First I am discussing with domestic system. Domestic system means handmade goods by using small tools. Handmade goods by using small tools, a simple device. Next, factory system. Production was produced in the factory. Domestic system did not cope up with the factory system. Next, industrial revolution. Industrial revolution means small scale industry change into large scale industry, manual labor change into machines, domestic system change into factory system. This is known as industrial Revolution. When Industrial Revolution was happened? Industrial Revolution was happened by the middle of the 18th century to first half of the 19th century. Where Industrial Revolution was happened? Industrial Revolution was happened in England. In England. Next question. Why Industrial Revolution was happened in England? Because the causes are as follows. First causes, surplus capital. Surplus means extra. Economic growth and overseas trade. Economic growth and overseas trade led to the setting up new industry in England. So many new industry, new factory were set up in England. People who are jobless, they return to England for their job facilities. So, one of the reasons of the Industrial Revolution is surplus capital, which was available in England. Next point. Next point, number 2, stable government. England had their stable government. So, political stability of the government is political stability of the government. Political stability of the government as the reason for the Industrial Revolution in England. Today I am discussing with you 2 reasons why Industrial Revolution was happened in England. Next day I will discuss with you next point, why Industrial Revolution happened in England. Today up to this, students.